Hi everyone, welcome to Korean Express YouTube channel. So here comes the part 2 of our video series in which we are focusing on house related vocabulary in Korean language. In this series, we are going to explore a wide range of topics from rooms and furniture to household items and more. So let's start with the second part. Here comes the Korean word for floor, and that is 바닥. 바닥. Okay, now let's move ahead and see the Korean word for staircase, and that is 계단. 계단. Next comes the Korean word for doorbell, and that is 초인종. 초인종. Next, let's see how we are going to say garage in Korean, and it is called 자고. 자고. Next comes the Korean word for garden, and that is 정원. 정원. Now let's see the word for furniture in Korean, and it is 가구. 가구. Next comes the Korean word for ceiling, and that is 천장. 천장. Now let's see how you are going to say door in Korean, and it is very easy. Door is 문. 문. Next comes the Korean word for wall, and this one is also very easy. Just one syllable word, and that is 벽. 벽. And the last one is the Korean word for window, and it is called 창문. 창문. You can see 문 is door, 창문 is window. Very easy to remember, right? Okay, so today we learned 10 Korean words related to house. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe Korean Express YouTube channel. Thank you.